Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2018 Honda CR-V LX. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in gray. Under the hood you'll find a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty front end, daytime running lights, and your smart key system for easy access. Now why don't we hop inside this CR-V and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our panic button. This Honda does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right there, the vehicle will unlock for you. On the bottom of the door, we got some storage space that runs along. Up top, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. With your black cloth seating. You have all-weather mats in the front, and below the seating you do have your manual adjusters. So now why don't we hop inside, start this Honda up. It is a push to start. Put your foot on the brake, press that start button right there. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, these arrows will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center. You also got your volume options, hands-free calling, voice recognition system, and this button right here will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up top, like so. And to show you that this Honda does only have 15,553 kilometers. On the right side of the steering wheel, here you have your cruise control options with the speed. Onto our screen here, right now we are on audio. If we go ahead and press source, you have your standard AM and FM, of course. You also have a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth device. Backup camera, there it is. Nice guidelines. You also have different options to view with this backup camera. Below that you have your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperature, and your passenger can do so as well. And the temperature display does show up on the top of the screen there on both sides. Driver heated seats, passenger heated seats. Next to the shifter you have your eco drive mode, electronic parking brake. Down below you have some nice storage space, perhaps for your phone. 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders. You also have nice little storage space in here as well, which slides. In here you have your USB and another power outlet. Lastly, in here, we open that up. That just gives you access to the rest of that little storage space that we have down there. So let's just close that up. Last thing to show you is our glove box here. Nice and simple. There's also lots of room in here. In case you need to free up any space in the cabin, you can throw some stuff in there as well. So before we hop into the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage, just like the driver's side door. All-weather mats equipped in the back as well. More black cloth seating. In the center here, if we pull this down, that gives you access to these 2 cup holders and little armrests. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Just pull that up and that gives you access to your cargo. So to open up, all you got to do is just press this button right underneath here. You can see there's lots of room in here for all your essentials. Got some storage on both the right side and the left side. And these seats do go down. You got this little handle here. Just pull that and they'll go down just like that, nice and easy. And lastly, right underneath here, if we grab this and pull that up, you do have your spare tire and the tools in case that ever goes. So to close up, we got this little handle here. Just gonna give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2018 Honda CR-V. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian. And as always, drive safe.